Alright guys, so I have Juice 59 Lincoln here. And down here, you can see I have fuel filter, and I cleaned up this line here and was able to get it off, luckily. So I got this on here, pretty good. Drained the fuel tank of all that nasty fuel. We're gonna put fresh fuel in it. And then as you can see, I've started wiring, but I gotta come down with the car first. Alright guys, I have the car back on the ground here, and as you can see, the fuel pump is mounted up there. And then the little fuse is right by the starter relay. So I just get the wire kind of just runs across and then inside to a switch and then back out. And then the switch is right here. Pretty easy to get to, and works for fun. We got fresh fuel in it, so hopefully with some driving it'll clean up and it'll stop smoking as much, but yep, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I took Lincoln around the block. It did pretty good, but I did notice that when you go around the block, these lug nuts like to back themselves off, so I would definitely look into replacing your wheel studs. They are most likely original, so it's a lot of times of being on and off and they're just getting tired.